Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the download over Wi-Fi only mode on the Bilibili Comics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Me section at the lower right corner of the screen and go to the Settings button, and you can find the download over Wi-Fi only mode, and just tap to the white circle, and this enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.